Yes, February 15th, 2018. Got my germinating bins here with my bamboos in there. This is purple. This got a little warm one day. I don't know, I might have done some damage to that. These are my blue bamboo. Nothing sprouting yet, except for maybe a little pepper tree seed that might have gotten in there. So I've got 4 of these bins set up. Purple, blue, moso, and giganteous bamboos, allegedly. I went out yesterday and cut this, harvested this bamboo. A couple big long poles there, but what I really got excited about, just last week, I'm gonna walk over here now. This is my cleared side lot over here. Not my lot, but the lot next to me that was cleared. I had this bamboo that I grew from seed here. This one and this one were in the same, from the same seed, same little clump. I took them out, brought them over here last week, dug a little hole, put some mulch in there, a little bit of fertilizer like it says, and I come back today. Ooh, there's one there too, look at that. I got little culms coming up already. It's only been a week, 2 weeks since these went in. Got some new growth on there. And I just split this in half. I just ripped it in half. But what I saw today was this little stick over here. It's about the size of a pencil. It's very stiff, very firm. And that's going to be probably 3 or 4 foot tall culm here. It's the thickest piece of bamboo that I've grown yet. So yeah, doing fairly good, I think. And then these bamboos over here, which I harvested wild, I dug them up, and they're losing some leaves. I've been watering it every day, trying to keep it alive. Hopefully it's going to make it. This one was in more sand. It has a big clump of sand on the bottom, and it's not drying up or losing as many leaves. This one was a real light, fluffy kind of mulchy root leaf kind of a ball, and it came out fairly easy, and it's losing some leaves, but it's not totally dried up and gone yet, so I think it's gonna root in and be okay. We'll see. Just have to keep giving the water to it. But yeah, I was kind of excited about that little culm coming up there, 4 or 5 inches tall already. Very cool.